Hello guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can make artist profile on Spotify without any music. So maybe you're starting right now, you don't have music, but you want to be on Spotify. So first of all, what you need to do, go on Google and search this exact site, and these people will help you to make and produce music on Spotify. Maybe you don't know how to do with yourself on your own, so they will help, they will do work for you. You just have to click sign up and fill up formalities. Of course, it's not free, you have to pay $15 a year, but hey, it's a good deal, I think. So you can just go on that site, message them, pay a little bit of money, and they will make you artist profile. So I think it's very easy. I hope I helped. See you in the next one.